everyone. Tonight for supper will be cowboy beans. What all goes into the cowboy beans recipe? 1/2 pound ground beef, 1/2 pound bacon chopped, 1 onion chopped, 1/3 cup brown sugar, 1/4 cup ketchup, 1 tablespoon mustard, 1/4 cup barbecue sauce, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon chili powder, 1 15-ounce can pinto beans, 1 15-ounce can butter beans, and 1 15-ounce can kidney beans. So let's begin. Preheat oven to 350. Take a 9x13 pan and spray it lightly with nonstick cooking spray. In a large skillet over medium heat, I'm using my big saucepan, Dutch oven, whatever you want to call it, just so the bacon don't splatter all over the place. And take your bacon and cook it until evenly brown. And this is 1/2 pound of bacon chopped. So once the bacon is evenly brown, remove it, put it on paper towel, let it drain the grease, and then drain the grease in your pan. Then add your 1/2 pound of ground beef. We like meat, so we're going to add a whole pound. And your 1 chopped up onion, and cook that until no longer pink. So while your ground beef is browning, get a medium-sized bowl, mix together your 1/3 cup of brown sugar, your 1/4 cup of ketchup, your 1 tablespoon of mustard, your 1/4 cup of barbecue sauce, and whatever flavor of barbecue sauce that you would like, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, but I'm using 1 teaspoon because I like pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder. And mix that together until fully combined. Set that aside. After the beef is brown, drain the grease. Then take your 1/2 pound of cooked bacon, put it in your 9x13 grease pan. Take your ground beef, put it in the pan. And again, we use the full pound instead of the 1/2 pound it called for. But I'll leave the original recipe down below. Then take your canned beans. It did not say to drain them, but I did drain them a little bit. I don't want it too soggy. 15 ounces of pinto beans, 15 ounces of butter beans, and 15 ounces of kidney beans. And I'm using the dark red kidney beans. I'm going to mix that up a little bit. And then take your sauce and dump that on top of the meat and beans. And give that a mix until thoroughly combined. So put your cowboy beans in a preheated 350-degree oven for 1 hour. So here is the cowboy beans, and rounding out the meal is the butter biscuit. Let's see what Dave thinks. Cowboy beans.
All right.
Be hot?
Yeah, I can feel the heat from here. Has a kind of a mapley.
The bacon was maple bacon.
Okay. I like it. Very good.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.